Vanilla is one of the most common organic flavouring compounds in the world, being used in food, medicines and beauty products. However, the vanilla orchid is very rare, causing it to be an expensive and valuable natural product. Due to the large demand and popularity, German scientists have developed a synthetic version to decrease the price. This discovery has now taken over the world and vanilla is more popular than ever before. Vanilla is the largest component of the vanilla aroma out of over 250 others, usually making up 7 to 8% of the entire product. The formal chemical name for vanillin is 4-hydroxy-3-methoxybenzaldehyde. Nicholas Theodor Gottlieb is the scientist responsible for being the first person to isolate vanillin as a pure substance in 1858. The three functional groups of vanillin are aldehyde, ether, and phenol. These three organic compounds are common in many fragrances and in biochemistry. Natural vanilla was first discovered in the modern world in the 16th century in Mexico from the Vanilla planifolia. This is the only vanilla orchid that actually bears something fit for human consumption. Glucovanillin forms the main feature of vanilla and is found in the central cavity of a pod at the end of its development. It is a combination of glucose and vanillin. To isolate this chemical, the pod must undergo a curing process, which allows enzymatic and chemical reactions to occur. This process includes steps such as killing the pod in hot water, sweating it in sunlight, and conditioning it to extract the glucovanillin from the centre. Biochemical procedures such as hydrolysis then occur, and from this, vanillin is produced. It can be seen in the glucovanillin structure that the composition of vanilla is the right half of it, the left being glucose. However, this curing process is complex and extensive, and the Vanilla planifolia is also a very rare plant. This causes natural vanilla to be an exclusive, expensive product. For example, in 1986, vanilla beans were being sold for $30 to $38 per pound. The synthetic version of vanilla, known as imitation vanilla, is now being sold worldwide, more commonly than natural vanilla. It was introduced due to the high price of the natural flavour, being the second most expensive flavouring agent. This was in Germany in 1874 by scientists Ferdinand Tiemann and Karl Reimer. They used Gottlieb's discovery and deduced the chemical structure of vanillin, then finding a synthesis from a material found in pine bark, eugenol. This was by isomerizing the position of the double bond not located in the benzene ring, and then combining it with oxygen through a chemical reaction. Synthetic vanilla is entirely made of artificial vanillin because of it being the largest constituent of natural vanilla. There are now two ways in which synthetic vanilla is produced, the first being guaiacol. This is a yellow crystalline substance that is obtained from the guaiacum tree resin. The other way is by using lignin, which is a constituent of wood and also a byproduct of manufacturing paper. This was introduced in the 1930s and was a way to decrease the cost of vanilla and to dispose of environmentally problematic waste easily. From then, vanilla has become very popular and available throughout the world. For instance, in 2001, the annual demand for vanillin was 12,000 tonnes, however only 1,800 tonnes of natural vanilla was produced, the remainder being synthetic. Both of these synthetic forms of vanillin have been created in completely different ways from each other and from that of the natural type. However, the final result and chemical composition can be seen on this slide as exactly the same. Ethyl vanillin is a flavour that has been formed from synthetic vanillin, as it has the same chemical structure with an extra ethyl group added to it. The intensity is 3 times as much and is used for items that require more of a strong aroma than flavour, such as cleaning products and fragrances. It is completely unnatural. Vanillin isn't just used to make the natural vanilla flavour, but is present in many other products. It is a part of many medicines for both the flavour and certain remedial properties. Vanillin is used in the manufacture of medications for Parkinson's disease and high blood pressure, including the drug L-Dopa. Also, a certain scent found in vanilla, heliotropin, has been proven to reduce patient anxiety during MRI scans. Furthermore, studies have been conducted to test vanillin for being a potential agent to treat anemia. Vanillin is also commonly used as a masking agent for cleaning products and unpleasant tasting medicines. It is one of the 3 most common masking agents to make certain goods more enjoyable, especially for children.
Created using Powtoon.